Yeah, welcome back to this training section. Uh, in the last video, I showed us how to create sales discounts in QuickBooks Desktop, and I told you guys that I'm going to be making another video for Subtotal. So I'm still going to work on discounts, but show us how useful Subtotal is. Okay, now, so let's create an invoice. Now, before you can see Subtotal in your QuickBook as an item, you have to create. So go to list, item list. I already have a subtotal here, but if you want to create from scratch, you go to new, then you select from here subtotal. Yeah, then you do, if you want to subtotal only the amount or the quantity or the price, whichever one you think you're interested on. So that is that. I'm going to cancel that. Okay, this is our invoice. So I'm selling to customer, and okay, let's say we have two items. We want to actually go for gardening and networking. Okay, so the value for gardening, let's say, is 22,500. Then the value for this is 12,600. Okay, let me select non-taxable here for the sake of understanding. Okay, now we have two items here, total of 35,100. Now, if I want to apply discount on the both of them, on the total of 35,100, I have to create a subtotal. Or if I don't do that, this is what will happen. Let me show you now. So let's go to sales discount. This is 3%. Okay, let me bring up my calculator. Okay, so watch what will happen now. So 12,600 times 3 divided by 100. What do you see? That is 378. So it means this discount is only affecting the second line, which is networking. But I want it to affect these two items, gardening and networking. So I will need to go with subtotal. So I'll click on subtotal. Now I have a subtotal of 35,100, which is correct. Then now I can select sales discount, because sales discount affect the immediate line preceding it. So I'm going to select sales discount. Now you see there's a difference between what we have before and what we have now. We have 378 before, and now we have 1,053. But for confirmation purposes, let's say we do 35,100 times 3 divided by 100. So I think we are having the same thing here. So it means subtotal here is important if I want to apply a discount to more than one or two multiple items before it. So let's still go ahead. Let's say, okay, we want to also apply a discount, but different from 3%, let's say 2.5%. So with this again, subtotal can also assist you to create sales discount of different percentage based on the services and products that you offer. So let me go for training. Do I have training before? Okay, I don't have. Okay, this is training. And now, uh, okay, I have training. Okay, I think without that, if I just select my sales discount, it will work. Okay, so sales discount, it automatically work on the previous one. So let's say training is 50,000. So you see automatically, but let's say it is 2.5%. Okay, so you see that we're having 2.5 of 50,000 naira. Okay, I think we can also do that even without the subtotal. Then let's say there's a last item here that doesn't have a discount, which is this. So at the end of the day, you see this is 20, let's say 78,500. Okay, so with this you see that QuickBooks has giving us a discount on this 35,100 by 1,053 naira, and it has also given us a discount of 1,250 on this 50,000, then plus this 78,500. That is what we have as our total. But for confirmation, let's do the calculation over here. So I'm going to bring up my calculator. Okay, this is my calculator. So I'm going to add up. So 35,100 minus 1,053. We're having 34,047. Okay. Okay, I'm going to clear that now. So, but remember the number 34,047. Okay, I go back to the next one. Minus 1,250. We're having 48,750. Okay. So plus 34,047, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm adding the net of this and this now, then plus that 78,500 plus 78,500. So we're having a total of 161,297. That's correct. So with this, I can go ahead and hit save and close. Okay. Save and close. Now we can go ahead to check how we have two discounts there, 1,250 and the other one. So we go to reports, go to company and financial, just like we did for the last time, the discount I created. So I want to check just for today's date, which is 12, and refresh. Okay. Now it's no longer just, if I double click on that, we have two transactions going on, which is this. So you see the second one, which is 23. Let me adjust this to see. Okay. You see the first one is 1139. So these are the total. If I double click on it now, you see it's the total of the 1053 plus 1250. That's the total of discount we have for today's, which is on this invoice number 111139. So that is correct. And if you go to balance sheet, you are going to see this figure minus. In fact, you are just going to see this figure because with minus 1250 and 1053, but the sales amount is going to be above this. So if you add 1053 plus 1250 to this figure, that's what is going to be the sales amount. So let's check our sales amount to see what if it's okay with this 161. We'll go to profit and loss. So you see that we'll double click on this revenue. So we'll go to the second one, which is 1139. You see it is 163,600. So it means we are bearing the loss of that discount of that 2,000. So hope you guys understand. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Please like my video, give me a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on your notification so that whenever I have this juicy video, you get notified. You'll be the first to know. See you guys in my next class, and have a wonderful day. Bye.